Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all guys are doing great. And today we are going to discuss how you can earn during your med school and can finance some of your expenses. So before getting right into the video, I would like to give you a disclaimer that this is whole based on my experience and what I have gone through. So if you get any benefit from it, I will highly appreciate that you can subscribe and like this video and drop down any comment for any future video recommendations. So okay guys, so the website I'm talking about is Preply. Preply is an online tutoring platform which gives tuition to students from 180 countries. आपका जो स्टूडेंट है वो कहीं से भी हो सकता है, बट मोस्टली जो स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ होते हैं दे आर फ्रॉम यूके और यूएस से. सो यू हैव टू गिव देम लाइव क्लासेस एंड शेड्यूल देयर होमवर्क और वॉट एवर रीज़न दे हायर यू, आपने वो करना है. ठीक है. सो वाई आई एम एम्फेसाइजिंग मोर ऑन प्रेपरी रादर देन ऑन द ट्रेडिशनल ट्यूटरिंग मेथड, बिकॉज ट्रेडिशनल ट्यूटरिंग मेथड के अंदर यू आर लिंक विद अ पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट एंड यू हैव टू गिव देम टाइम. और जितने हम लोग हैक्टिक होते हैं मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज वी हैव टू लाइक cover our syllabus too, so we can't give our proper time and earn in rupees. It's always better to dedicate your 1 or 2 hours of the day and earn in dollars rather than to dedicate your whole month and then earn in rupees. So it's a win-win situation for both the students and the receiver. So how to get started with the Preply? So the sign up process is super easy for the tutor, but there are a few things which you should keep in mind before signing up as a tutor. First thing is deciding your major. ठीक है, because Preply is actually a learning platform and वहाँ पर MBBS के जो स्पेशलाइज सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल एनाटमी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री, फिजियोलॉजी, पैथोलॉजी, ये नहीं होते. ठीक है. दे आर वेरी सुपरफिशियल सब्जेक्ट्स जस्ट लाइक biology, physics, chemistry, English, Urdu. Another thing the Preply asks during the sign up process is the tutor introductory video. It is simply just an introductory brief communication between you and your potential candidate, where you tell about yourself, what subject you are going to teach and how you are going to teach. So it should be very short, concise in English, and the thumbnail of the video should be very attractive so the student click on it. Okay, so the next thing is, after getting your approval from the Preply, it takes around 2 to 3 days to get approved your profile, and after getting approved you can schedule your first session with the candidate. So after getting approved, your profile is now finally public and every student can see it. So now you have to wait for your potential candidate to book a session with you. ये पार्ट थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है न्यू ट्यूटर्स के लिए, because you might not get student in a first few days, but you have to trust the process. Okay, so the first session is usually a demo session where the student sees your teaching style and whether if he is getting the understanding of the subject or not. अगर तो उसको आपके साथ कंटिन्यू करना होगा तो he is going to pay an hour fees for your service. Hour fees क्या होगी? Preply during the sign up process will ask about your per hour fees, and it is usually ranging from $5 to all up to $100, and but it is suggested कि beginner के लिए $5 to $10 के bracket के अंदर ही कोई fees हो, because apparently there are other tutors which are offering the same service in a less price bracket. तो अगर आपकी कोई अभी वहाँ पर स्टूडेंट नहीं है and you are charging $20 and $15 for the same service, तो it is not going to make it. तो it is suggested कि $5 to $10 के बीच के अंदर आप कोई अपनी सर्विस की फीस रखें and then start teaching the student. So the withdrawal process is a bit complicated for the Preply because they are not accepting the debit cards right now. What they are accepting is Wise and Pioneer, so you have to make an account with either Wise or Pioneer. I will suggest make an account with the Pioneer because the platform fees for the Pioneer is like 2%. So whenever the student pays for your service, the payment will directly go into your Preply account, and from Preply account you can transfer into your Pioneer account, and from Pioneer account you are transferring those money into your bank account. I want to break one thing with you, that Preply is going to take 100% commission from your first session, and from the proceeding session the commission will be 33%. For example, अगर आप $10 कमा रहे हैं तो उसका 33% is 3.3%, and you are taking home $6.7 with yourself, and this is applicable for every session you are going to take it. But ये commission जो ना कम होता रहता है with the more hour you teach. For example $20 hours के बाद ये 33 से reduce होके 28% हो जाएगा commission. So in that, I'm going to give you a pro tip, and the pro tip is, if your student is comfortable with you, you can ask them to plan your future sessions on Zoom rather than on Preply, because in this way you are reducing the cutoff value of 33% as a platform fees, and also ask the student to directly send the amount onto your bank account. So in this way you are also bypassing the 2% platform fee of Pioneer or Wise. So in this way you will get the whole amount which you are promised. And if your student is not comfortable, then you have to go through the proper channel. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you guys got benefit from the video, and if you got it, I will highly appreciate if you could like and subscribe this video and drop down the comment for any future video recommendations, and I will see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.